So let me introduce SAVE group of companies. So I represent a conglomerate, which is SAVE Group. We work in the space of financial inclusion. Journey started from 2009 and 10, and perhaps we are the most unique model in the country where we have a combination of assets and liabilities in the same group and not being a bank. So generally, we see that most of the NBFCs are there in asset space, and then we have business correspondents who are in the liability space. But we are a combination of that. So in essence, what started in 2009 and 10 by three promoters, Mr. Ajit, Mr. Pankaj, and Mr. Ajay Sinha, from a modest place in Bihar. So today, we are the largest business correspondent company of State Bank of India. If you look at the journey in the last 15 years, we have grown from nowhere to today being one of the unique organizations who cater to about 2.5 crore families. Today, Save Solutions Private Limited, which is the parent company, which started its journey from 2009-10, works as a business correspondent to State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, and a couple of other banks with 15,000 customer service point outlets and touching about 2.5 crore families. That is our client base, and we are primarily into rural. So if you look at our outreach, we are present in more than 600 districts and about in 31 states. This journey which started as liabilities in 2009-10 took a shape of assets in about 2017-18 when we took the first round of Series A investment from Incofin, and then we took a Series B round with Marge Invest in 2020, and quickly added rather asset side on to our liability strength. So to just give a brief of the group, so the parent company is Safe Solutions Private Limited. It is a liability business correspondent working with public sector banks, which we provide about 40 odd services related to bank opening account, savings, money transfers, remittances, cash deposits, withdrawals, and so on and so forth. Then we have four subsidiaries. Three of them have lending license. So one is Save Microfinance, another one is Save Financial Services. Then we have Save Housing, and then we have another asset BC company called Sagra Management Services. Together, our vision is to touch 5 crore customers in the next 5 years, and we are half the way through. We already have a customer base of 2.5 crore. In terms of to give you certain impact numbers, as I said, outreach is about 2.5 crore families. On the liability side, on the asset side, we have a 2,000 crore book. Most of it is microfinance. So microfinance constitutes to about close to 1,700 crores, and the rest 300 crores is on rural housing and MSME. We have cumulative customer base of about 1.5 million on the asset side. As a group, we very actively engage in raising funds with various lenders. Today, we have about 70 lenders in the group, which includes public sector banks, private sector banks, small finance banks, NBFCs, and even offshore funds. So we do a host of structures. We do term loans, unsecured debentures, secured debentures. We do securitization through PTCs or DAs. So if they want to open an account, say is there, they want to send money to their to their son studying elsewhere, we are there. You want to receive money, we are there. You want a microfinance loan, yes, we are there. We want a house construction loan, we want an MSME loan, we are there. Even insurance is on cards. So that is the kind of vision we have as a group, and we are taking steps towards in that direction. And so that is in short what we are as a group.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risks including delay and or default in payment. Read all the offer related documents carefully.